In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your playlist private on Spotify. So if you don't want to share with the public your playlist, you can just go ahead and personalize it or make it private so that it can only be seen or be accessed by you. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and identify the playlist that you want to make private. And you can easily see your playlist by tapping on your library here. If I go ahead and tap on your library, this will display all the playlists that you have. I currently have 2 playlists, local songs and worship. In my case, I want to make this worship playlist private. So I'll go ahead and tap on it and it will display all the songs that are on this playlist. To make this playlist private, just head over to these 3 dots here and then tap on them and then scroll down until you see this option called make private. So if I tap on make private, I have to confirm that indeed I want to make this private, and I'm told only you and people you invite will be able to view this playlist. If you are sure of that, go ahead and tap on make private, and that is it. Playlist is now private. So that's how you make your playlist private on Spotify. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.